One country invented a style of football so effective, it won 3 major trophies in a row. The other country has the greatest player of all time on their team. And when these two collide, something strange happens. Spain almost always wins. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll understand exactly why, and you'll never watch a Spain versus Argentina match the same way again. Here's the deal. You don't need to know a single thing about football. I'm going to break down 2 totally different football philosophies using simple comparisons, so even if you've never watched a match in your life, you'll get it. Let's start with Spain. Spain plays a style called Tiki-Taka. Think of it like a game of keep away. Instead of trying to score fast, Spain passes the ball short, quick, and constant, sometimes 20-30 passes in a row, just to keep the ball away from the other team. Why does that matter? Because in football, if the other team doesn't have the ball, they literally cannot score. It's like basketball, except imagine one team just refuses to let the other team touch the ball for 5 minutes straight. Frustrating, right? That's the point. Here's the crazy stat. Between 2008 and 2012, Spain won the Euros, the World Cup, and the Euros again, back to back to back. No country has ever done that. Not before. Not since. Now let's talk Argentina. Argentina plays with flair, fast dribbling, sudden bursts of speed, and one guy who basically breaks the sport, Lionel Messi. If Spain's style is a chess match, Argentina's style is street basketball. Quick, individual brilliance, moments of magic that no coach can teach.